6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you all to another exciting episode of NumberRoyale. We are welcoming Parni, Cool Math, SD, Strange Thinker, Deepu Vetri, Isaac, Cuckoo, Wilson, KPMJ, Hand of the Highest, Mahi Love Patient, Kyle, Beard Boy 01, Suitable King 21, Bhuvanesh, Gautam Raj, and let's see, one more, Joshua Benheim. Welcome to each and every one of you. Today's episode is going to be all correct, which means it's an elimination. You must get all the 9 puzzles correct and standing tall at the end of the match to be able to share the prize. It's $5 prize, and if you miss the first, any of the questions in the first 8, you can use a life to jump back in. You can use a maximum of 2 lives during the match. The last question, you will not be able to use a life. All right. So those are the rules. And let's see. A small riddle before we get started. What kind of men are always above board? What kind of men are always above board? And so let's see. I don't see husband is always above board. Boy, you're very optimistic, Hema. So that's a good answer. So while you're thinking about it, why don't we get started on question number 1. 6, 5, 2. The desired result is 3. 6, 5, 2, and there are 8 possible solutions. And addition and subtraction are the operators available to you. Durai says it's driver. Driver is above board. I guess so. You don't get points in this Math Star. You just get to win. So 61 of you have gotten it correct. I think that's the maximum we've had people getting right answers. Great. We are off to a great start. 45 of you have given the most popular answer. And let's take a look at question 2. 7, 3, 14. The desired result is 56. How do you get 56 from 7? There are only 2 possible solutions. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. 7, 3, and 14. Okay, yeah, I got it. Yeah, I was just puzzled for a while. Guardman and pilot are above board. It's not the answer I was looking for. And 36 of you have gotten it right. I guess it was medium tough. Both solutions have been given. The trick was 7 minus 3 equal to 4. And then 14 times 4 gets you 56. So great job, everyone who's moving on to question 3. Let's take a look at what that brings. 21 and 7, addition, subtraction, and division. The desired result is 14. There are 8 possible solutions, and wake me up when this puzzle is over. It is so easy. Even our 6-year-olds are saying, please give us harder puzzles. Eastman is correct. He got the chessman as a correct answer. And so congratulations, Eastman. As usual, I want to know your secret of solving puzzles. A lot of you have used lives and jumped back in. We have 46 players who got the right answer. 4 out of 8 possible solutions were given. So we've got 46 moving on to question 4. Fractions. 7 by 6, 4 by 3, and half. The desired result is 3. Addition and subtraction are in play. There are 12 possible solutions. So how do you get? This one also looks pretty easy, and You got 1 and 1/6, 1 and 2/3, and half to get a total of 3. Looks obvious. You must add all of them up, and I think that probably is the answer that gets it to you. And of course, you've used 7/6 plus 4/3 plus 1/2 to get you 3. 41 of you have given the correct answer. 7 out of 12 possible solutions have been given, and 20 of you gave the most popular answer. So here we go. Question 5. And Harigara Sudan was nice. He gave a clue. Decimals 10.333, 8.9, 3.2, and 4.7. 2.933 is the desired result. 60 is the possible, 60 possible solutions, addition and subtraction. What do you think? Maybe we should throw in a division or a multiplication in decimals occasionally, just to twist things up. So Panther and Kausalya and Black Mamba are working hard and getting the correct answer. 39 of you have gotten question 5 correct. 6 out of 60 solutions have been given, and 21. So Hanok has a suggestion on maybe less time. Yeah, that's possible. I agree with you, Hanok. We should try that and see, because now that you're getting comfortable, you're all warmed up, so we can try that maybe on the next elimination game. So let's try question 6. 39 of you moving on. 8, 7, 16, and 4. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. The desired result is 64. There are 12 possible solutions. So how do you get, so we have 64 out of 8, 7, 16, and 4. I think it's pretty straightforward. So I'm suspecting all 39 of you are going to move on to the next puzzle. So it was 4 times 16 is the answer. So 36 of you have gotten it correct. 5 out of 12 solutions have been given. And so Gautam Raj is bragging that he's got all of the 6 right so far. Great job. And let's take a look at question 7. 8, 2, 1, and 11. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. The desired result is 66. 66, and this one also looks to be pretty easy. I think, there are 20 possible solutions. You have 11, you have 66, and you know the rest of the story, right? How do you get 6 from the other 3 numbers, 8, 2, and 1? And the solution just presents itself to you. And so it's 6 times 11. 38 of you are still alive, and looks like it's going to be a record-breaking session today with a lot of winners. Let's take a look at question 8. 22, 20, 26, and 24. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. I'm sorry, division also is in play. All 4 operators are available. I see all of them lit up. Desired result is 40. How do you get? There are 98 possible solutions, and everybody is saying this is so easy. I am glad that you're having an easy session. There have been times when we got only 2 of you getting the right answers. So the computer is in a good mood. It gave you all easy answers. So let's take a look at how many. 39 of you got it right. 35 of you, close enough. 11 out of 98 possible solutions have been given, and it was 20 plus 22, just addition and subtraction. So it didn't belong to be in the 8th question. We needed to have a division or a multiplication thrown in somewhere. So let's see whether we can tighten this up in the next match. How about the last question? 4x minus 4, and we have given a lot of time, 45 seconds, which Hanok doesn't like. 4x minus 4, 4x plus 2y, 2, and the values, what values of x and y give you the desired result of 10. And 32 solutions are available. and I have a set of X and Y that'll give you the answer. Maybe you came up with the answers. Maybe at about 5 seconds or so, you can tell me what kind of numbers you used and see whether they match up with the ones that I have. And everybody says it's too easy. Yeah, maybe we'll cut it down to 35 seconds tomorrow. And let's see. Chacha is screaming in joy. Let's see. 38 of you, a record number of winners today on the elimination round. We've got to tighten it up. Only 0.1. So that's fine. I mean, a win is a win is a win. 8 out of 32 solutions have been given, and we have 38 winners. So let's take a look at who the winners are. 13 cents, Ritesh. You missed 30%. So you've got 30% more winnings. So let's take a look at I'm not going to read all 38 and bore you to death. I'll just, randomly pick some. Cuckoo, SD, Kausalya, Ganesh, Parani, Isaac, Hand of the Highest, Gugan, Deepu Vetri, Sairam, Suitable King, Rasiga Venkat, Toast, Selvi 17, Aji, and Hema Deepu. And everybody else who played, great job, everyone. Thanks for hanging around. And I'm glad you're all staying safe and healthy. I hope it's a great day for you and a great week. I know we have hard times both here in India and as well as in the US. So stay safe, be well, and until we meet again, this is Saktivel signing off, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play Number Royale every day. Bye for now.